What's up guys, we're here down in Medicine Hat and we're just working on the power line. Right now we're just stringing some dead ends and it's gonna be a pretty good one to see. All right, thanks for watching that, guys. It's always a good time here in Medicine Hat. Power lines are always fun to work at, and should be heading home on Wednesday, coming up 3 or 4 days, and I'll see you guys back in Calgary. What's up, YouTube? We're out here with another video for you boys.